Welcome to Product Plus. Discover a blend of smart design, comfort, and convenience with these innovative home and lifestyle products crafted to simplify daily tasks, elevate your space, and add effortless efficiency to cooking, cleaning, and modern living. All products links in the description section below. Picture relaxing evenings or lively hangouts where everything's within reach: cold drinks, your favorite tunes, and a spot to charge every device. This smart coffee table blends sleek design with everyday practicality, adding comfort, fun, and effortless convenience to your space. Try it, you'll love the upgrade. Kickstart your mornings with a burst of freshness using this dual-head electric juicer. It squeezes two fruits at once, giving you vibrant blends in seconds. With one-touch operation and easy cleanup, it makes healthy living effortless, fun, and delicious, perfect for busy mornings or relaxing weekends alike. Light up every moment, whether it's a cozy evening at home or an unexpected power outage. These rechargeable bulbs keep your space bright, efficient, and worry-free. With long-lasting power and adjustable brightness, they're perfect for daily use, travel, or emergencies. Smart lighting, anytime you need it. Bring your ideas to life with vibrant precision and speed. This advanced 3D printer blends artistry and innovation, mixing up to 16 colors seamlessly while maintaining quiet, flawless accuracy. Perfect for creators who love turning imagination into reality. It's your next step in effortless creativity. Step into the future of movement with the Hypershell Pro X, a smart exoskeleton that adapts to your every motion. Lightweight yet powerful, it enhances endurance, supports performance, and makes challenging activities feel effortless. Perfect for adventurers, workers, or anyone ready to move smarter and stronger. Transform ordinary playtime into magical adventures with the Airfort. It inflates in seconds for endless fun and creativity. Safe, spacious, and totally mess-free. It's perfect for parties, playdates, or family time. Simply connect a fan, step inside, and watch imaginations take flight for hours. Bring your dull blades back to life in seconds with this easy, hands-free knife sharpener. Its secure suction base keeps things steady while you work, giving pro-level sharpness without effort. Compact, safe, and simple, a must-have tool for every home cook's kitchen routine. Boost your workflow with precision and ease using this thermal fiber stripper. Designed for accuracy and efficiency, it handles multiple fibers effortlessly with automatic heating and long battery life. Perfect for professionals who value clean, consistent results and reliable performance in every project. Make cleanup effortless and cooking healthier with these reusable silicone air fryer liners. Heat-resistant and non-stick, they keep food crisp while protecting your fryer from grease and residue. Eco-friendly, easy to wash, and built to last, a must-have upgrade for everyday cooking convenience. Stay powered and organized with this magnetic Type-C charging cable. Designed for fast, safe charging and tangle-free convenience, it keeps your space neat while delivering top performance. Durable, flexible, and efficient, it's the perfect everyday companion for work, travel, or home use. Bring natural charm and practicality to your table with this eco-friendly bamboo fiber salad bowl. Spacious, stylish, and versatile, it's perfect for serving meals or entertaining guests. The wooden lid doubles as a cutting board, smart, sustainable, and effortlessly elegant for everyday dining. Keep your sink area neat and dry with this smart faucet holder. Its rotatable spout drains water directly into the sink, while divided sections neatly store brushes and sponges. Compact, rust-resistant, and stylish, it's the perfect space-saving upgrade for a clean, organized kitchen. Discover the cleaning power everyone's raving about with this compact steam cleaner. Using only water, it effortlessly removes grime, grease, and dirt. No chemicals needed. Quick, powerful, and pet-safe, it's perfect for keeping your home spotless with less effort and more satisfaction. Stay wrinkle-free anywhere with this 2-in-1 portable iron and steamer. It heats up in seconds, offering both dry and steam modes for perfect results on any fabric. Compact, foldable, and travel-ready, it's ideal for quick touch-ups or full outfits. Effortless style made simple wherever you go. Enjoy crispy, delicious meals made easy with this compact Ninja air fryer. Its powerful handheld design cooks everything from quick snacks to full meals in minutes. With non-toxic glass containers and multiple cooking modes, it's perfect for healthier, mess-free, and flavorful results every time. Brew your perfect cup every time with this elegant electric tea maker. Featuring a smart LED display, dual Catalan teapot design, and automatic keep warm mode, it blends style and convenience beautifully. Safe, sleek, and easy to use, enjoy cafe-quality tea right at home, effortlessly. The Dremel Hot Glue Pen offers fast 15-second preheating for instant crafting and repairs. Its cordless design with a rechargeable Li-ion battery ensures flexibility, while the ergonomic pen grip provides precision. Features automatic shutoff for safety and includes glue sticks, USB cable, and power adapter. The LG 30Q FT French door refrigerator combines luxury and innovation with its InstaView panel, full convert drawer, and craft ice feature. Its spacious design, print-proof stainless steel finish, and smart cooling system deliver efficiency, style, and freshness for every household need. Bring the cafe experience home with the Breville Barista Express, an all-in-one espresso machine that grinds, brews, and froths with precision. Perfect for busy mornings or slow weekends, it makes every cup feel handcrafted and effortlessly indulgent. Give your mornings barista-style perfection. Prep meals faster with this handy vegetable chopper, perfect for slicing veggies, herbs, or nuts into uniform pieces. Its sharp stainless steel blade and easy pump handle make cooking fun, effortless, and mess-free. A quick twist toward fresher, faster meal prep awaits. Make authentic homemade tortillas effortlessly with this pre-seasoned cast-iron tortilla press. Built for durability and even pressure, it's perfect for tortillas, arepas, empanadas, and more. Includes a free recipe ebook to inspire delicious creations right from your kitchen. This foldable Bluetooth keyboard combines portability and productivity with a smart multi-touch touchpad, tri-device connectivity, and long-lasting USB-C rechargeable battery. Its lightweight, magnetic case doubles as a stand perfect for travel, remote work, or boosting your mobile workstation anywhere you go. The Moon retractable baby gate offers enhanced safety with its reinforced fiber bar design and smooth retractable mesh. Featuring a double lock system, soft baby-safe material, and easy installation, it's perfect for stairs, doorways, and hallways, keeping babies and pets secure indoors or outdoors. Whether you're recovering from an injury or preventing one, this wrist brace delivers steady support and comfort all day long. Its ergonomic design, adjustable compression, and durable neoprene material help relieve pain, improve circulation, and keep you active at work, during workouts, or while resting. Boost your productivity anywhere with the FOPO 15.6 screen extender monitor. Offering vivid FHD 108 OP resolution, seamless one-cable connectivity, and a 360 foldable design. It instantly transforms your laptop into a versatile quad-display workstation perfect for multitasking, travel, or professional presentations. Print memories instantly with the Kodak Step Mini Printer. Using innovative zero-ink technology, it connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth or NFC, letting you create vibrant, smudge-proof 2x3 photos. Compact, rechargeable, and app-customizable, perfect for travel, crafts, and instant photo fun. Whip up quick, delicious meals with this premium non-stick frying pan. Its carbon steel build ensures even heat, while the PFAS-free coating keeps cooking healthy and cleanup effortless. Perfect for single eggs, veggies, or snacks. Compact, durable, and ready to make everyday cooking simpler. The Shark Navigator vacuum cleaner delivers 1200 watts of powerful suction with a self-cleaning brush roll that prevents hair wrap. Its lift-away design cleans floors, furniture, and stairs with ease, while the HEPA filter and anti-allergen complete sealed trap dust and allergens, ideal for pet owners seeking spotless spaces. Transform any room into your personal theater with this ultra-portable smart projector. Stream directly from built-in apps, mirror your phone wirelessly, or project on the ceiling for cozy movie nights. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for travel, dorms, or family entertainment anytime, anywhere. This upgraded to 70 West heavy-duty sealing machine delivers stronger, faster, and tighter seals with reduced noise and improved stability. Featuring an advanced control panel, adjustable height, and multiple sizes, it's perfect for sealing beverages, coffee, or juices, ideal for small businesses, cafes, breweries, and commercial use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing home and kitchen finds. Like the video and share your thoughts in the comments section below.